Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing assets so you can work without interruption. Open your editor, set the project to match your output resolution and frame rate. Next, import the picture and the footage into a clear folder or bin so you won't lose time searching. Drag the video onto the timeline and immediately place the image on a layer above the clip at the point you want it to appear. This lets you see composition and start sizing the image right away. Once the picture is on the timeline, use the transform controls to scale and place it. Keep aspect ratio locked so it doesn't stretch. If you want motion, set a starting keyframe for position or scale, move the playhead, then adjust and set an ending keyframe to create smooth movement. Use opacity keyframes to fade in and out. To integrate the image, add a mask or feather the edges so it blends naturally with the footage. Make sure timing matches the scene's rhythm. Finalize by matching color and exposure so the image doesn't look out of place. Tweak white balance and contrast until it reads like part of the scene. Play the full timeline to confirm motion and audio sync and adjust any timing. When satisfied, choose an export preset and codec that fits your destination. 264 for web, higher bitrate for archiving, and render. If you run into glitches, clear the render cache. Convert the image to a standard format like PNG and re-import. That usually fixes layer or format conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.